Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. It's Mike here. So we're in Plasticity and today I'm going to show you how to create sliders. And if you don't know what sliders are, well, if you are working on, let's say, an equalizer, working on audio, then you would have a slider panel, right? So let's get started. We're going to get rid of this guy, hit X, there you go. And we're going to start with the outer layout of the panel. So for that, we'll take a center rectangle, there you go. We're going to pull that out until we have something that we're happy with. That looks fine. And then what we're going to do from here is we're going to go into face mode. We're going to hit O for offset. We're going to pull that in to about there already. Then we're going to go in, we're going to grab the entire face and we're going to push that down to about here. All right, then we're going to grab this guy in line mode. Actually, we'll grab the corners in CV mode. Let's jump into this area right here, and we're going to take the four corners, B for bevel. Let's round that over like so. That looks about right. Then we're going to go in and we're going to hit P for pipe. Give it a little bit of thickness like this. And then we're going to go to object mode. We're going to grab this guy. We're going to hit Q on the keyboard. Then we're going to grab this and click on OK. And now we can have the layout. And if we go to perspective mode, it will look something like this, right? We can hide our rectangle, we can hide our curve, there you go. All right, that looks good. Next up, we're going to create the slots. For that, we'll take another rectangle, this one right here, and we'll pull it out, make it fairly thin to about there. Then we're going to go to CV mode. We're going to grab these outer corners. So 2 and 2, hit the B for bevel, and I want it to be rounded over. Let's have a look. That's not rounded, the other way. And that is rounded, so that's good. Click on OK, and then we're gonna hit G to move this guy. Move it over here, let's say something like so. And then we're going to do a rectangular array over here. And let's see where we're at. I'm trying to keep it symmetrical. I would say that looks good. All right, cool. We're going to click on OK. Then what we're going to do is go and hit a G to raise all of this up. We are going to hit C for cut. Click on our panel. Click on OK. So now we don't need to see these guys anymore. Come on. Yeah, there you go. There are just a few, so we'll do one by one. There you go. And then we're going to go to face mode, and we're going to select these guys. Actually, object mode. And hit delete. So there are slots. There you go. Good, good. And then next up, we're going to create the actual sliders. Now, if you don't want to have the opening all the way through, you can just cut it halfway, but I thought this was fine. Next up, we're going to focus on the slider buttons. So for that, I'm going to start with a simple cube. Let me just do that over here. We'll hide this guy for a second. There you go. And we're going to go and grab a cube. Something like this. And then we'll move that up like so. All right. Then we're going to go to face mode. We're going to grab the top face. And we're going to scale that in. Just the top face. Come on. Yeah. Scale that. That looks right. Then we're going to grab these two edges and we're going to hit scale. Right, that looks fine. Then what we're going to do is jump to our side view here and we're going to grab a center circle. Let's do something like this. We're going to hit G, we're going to work that down. Too bad there. That looks fine. Then we're going to go in. We're going to move this. We're going to hit C for cut. Click on this guy, click on OK. Go to object mode. Get rid of that part and hide our circle. And next what we're going to do is jump into this view right here and we are going to grab a straight line. That looks good. Alt X to mirror that. Now because my center is over there I have to manipulate that a little bit, but that's fine. I know it's set at that corner. There you go. So we're good. We're gonna select them both in edge mode. C to cut. Click on this guy. Click on OK. Go to object mode. Get rid of these two sections. We're gonna hide the curve right here. Then we're gonna go in and grab these edges. Let's see what I want that to look like. Round it over a little bit. Yeah, that's fine. One more little detail. We're going to go and put a line on top, I would say. Yeah, let's do that. Let's see. We're going to go to object mode first. Let's grab this. And we're going to align this with this guy right here. All right. Grab a center rectangle. That looks fine. Click on OK. We're going to raise that up. And what we're going to do is go to imprint, select this guy, and there you go. Click on OK. And then what we're going to do is go to face mode, hide this. Sometimes that yellow is hard to see. You can change that in your preferences if you like. It's just, you know. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna extrude. Just a tiny bit, like so. So that's gonna be that. Then we're gonna go and everything visible. We're going to change the size, obviously, and we're going to rotate it. So let's rotate first. 90 degrees, there you go. Have a look from the top here. We're going to scale this down quite a bit. And then we're going to hit G to move it. Have a look at the height. Sorry about the noise, there's an ambulance going on. So that looks fine. Then what we're going to do is copy that over. I actually wonder if I can do a radial array, rectangular array, sorry. Yeah, I can. Very cool. That's exactly what we're going to do. Looks like it doesn't want to jump to where I want to be. So I might need to play with that a little bit, but that's fine. And then just to make it look a little bit better, we're going to grab these and we're going to kind of move this position, right? You get the idea, right? Anyway, there you go. There's our EQ panel, right? And yeah, just a couple of methods to show you what you can create with Plasticity, which is quite a lot. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you picked up some tips and tricks. And that said, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.